introduce cloud computing this time to you guys. I would like to introduce four perspectives of the cloud this time, cloud computing this time for you guys. First, I would like to explain what's the cloud computing, and what's the second, what's the basic form of cloud computing. Third, what's the current life use of cloud computing, and fourth one is the advantages and drawbacks of cloud computing. For the cloud computing, the practice of using a network of the remote service hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local service and a personal computer. Cloud computing refers to a delivery of service and use patterns, and it also refers to the network demand, and the easy way to expand access to resources. Providing resources network is also called cloud. For the cloud computing, cloud of the resource in the wheels also user appear to be infinitely scalable and can be readily available. These features are often referred to as use of the IT infrastructure like water or electricity. Cloud computing also collects all the resources together, automatically managed by the software without human involvement. This all allows applications providers who don't need to worry about tedious details and can be more focused on their business. For the cloud also means data online. When you save the data online, and it will be calculated by the method of the cloud computing and the saves like just the online digital numbers. And the data cloud computing not only further data search, and it also do analysis functions such as analyzing the future structures of DNA, gender mapping sequence, and precise molecular cells. And development of the system, cloud system, and from the laptop, service, desktop, tablets, and phones. The most common things for today is the laptop and phones. People save their own information like the identity, content, collaboration, communication things, and financial things online to get the runtime and queue time databases. They can get all the databases from online by the phones or the laptops. Only for the reason of the cloud computing exists. The cloud computing process is from the different devices, saving the data they want or sharing the data they want to a system. This system is called database, and database will use the cloud computing to save the translate the informations to be the digital numbers, and they will save the digital numbers online. Life before computing, just like the two angels, seems many boxes, many informations in many paper and in the boxes. We can find what we want and exactly and quickly. Life after computing, we divided every different systems into every cloud project or folders, and we can find it more easily and convenience. Companies of the cloud computing like Facebook, Google Documents, Gmails, YouTube, iCloud, they are all working for the cloud computing, and they use cloud computing to save the customer's personal information. Cloud computing is everywhere on our internet. We can easily otherwise. Cloud computing also means a completely new and good future trend. As the development of the cloud computing, personnel can easily find their personal information online, and we also increasing obviously. More and more people began to depend on the internet in the current world. So the database information is the most basement of the cloud computing. If there is no basement, there will be no cloud at all. Online data, people save the data online so that the cloud computing can calculate for the digital numbers like the 101001 to be the recorded things. For the cloud computing advantages, as a problem, more than 100 million customers has their personal information and upload their information to the iCloud. So they will get the information they want, no matter where they are. If there is digital things or the electric things, they can get the information by the internet. And no matter where they are, they can get the information. The cloud computing in the economic is also be well used, and for the economic companies, they have to sell their annual reports, no matter for seasonal or annual. The report had to be recorded, so the cloud computing can help them to save their information online, so they will get a better future and can be found easily. Cloud computing company iCloud. iCloud is a very famous company for the cloud computing, and it's work for the Apple. We use every time we use Apple, we save our own information online by the cloud computing in iCloud. And cloud computing helps us get out of the USB or save videos, and we can just get it online. Drawbacks is we might lose our information for the reason of the losing of the reason of the broke of the database of the iCloud. And it's also hard to control for the region of the internet digital. It means more easy to attack. Yeah, that's all I want to see. Thank you. Have a good day.